Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can reset your Roblox password. If you can't get back into your account, or you simply forgot your password or username, don't worry. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. I made a video about this before, but some people were confused, so this time I'm explaining everything clearly so you don't miss anything. First, go to roblox.com/login. When you land on the homepage, you'll see the usual username and password fields. But since you don't remember your login details, you're going to click on the link that says Forgot Password or Username. That will take you to the recovery page. Here, you can choose whether you forgot your username or your password. If it's the username, you can type in your email address and Roblox will email it to you. You can also use your phone number, which I personally recommend because it's usually faster and more reliable. Just remember, this whole process only works if you previously set up your account properly with your email or phone number. A lot of people complain that the recovery doesn't work, but it's not a scam. It's the official Roblox website. The issue is usually that the account wasn't connected to a phone number or email in the first place, so Roblox simply has nothing to send the recovery code to. Now, let me show you exactly how the phone number reset works. On the recovery page, choose the option to reset using your phone number. Select your country, enter your phone number, and click submit. A lot of people rush here and type their number incorrectly, so make sure you enter it exactly the way it appears on your account. Even a tiny mistake, like adding an extra zero, can stop the code from being delivered. Keep your phone nearby because the verification text usually arrives within seconds. Before you can reset your password, you'll need to complete the little Roblox verification check. After that, Roblox will send a text message with your verification code. If the code doesn't show up within a minute, you can click resend code. Sometimes network delays or weak mobile signals slow things down, so make sure your phone has proper coverage. If you're using Wi-Fi calling or traveling, delays are even more common. And honestly, restarting your phone surprisingly fixes the issue a lot of the time. Once the code arrives, enter it on the website and click verify. After that, you'll see the page where you can create your new password. Make sure to choose a password that's strong and hard for anyone else to guess. A password manager can help if you usually forget your login details. And please, never share your password with someone claiming to be Roblox support because they will never ask for it. At this point, your password is officially reset. Just remember, this method only works if your account was connected to your email or phone number before you lost access. That's why it's important to set things up properly from the start so you can always get your account back if something happens. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, and until next time, happy gaming.